Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: an account with policy contributor or owner rights and resource graph registered. First, pick the scope, subscription, management group, or resource group, because policy inheritance matters. Next, choose built-in versus custom policy. Built-in is faster, custom fits special rules. Create or select a policy definition, then create an initiative if you need grouped controls. Once done, validate the definition syntax and parameters so assignments later apply cleanly and predictably across your chosen scope. Now you define the policy. Author the JSON rule block with conditions and the desired effect. Deny, audit, append, or deploy if not exists, making sure mode matches resource types. Before wide deployment, use the what-if tool and test the assignment in a sandbox subscription or resource group to catch unintended denials. Once testing passes, create an assignment or assign an initiative, set parameter values, and choose enforcement mode. Make sure remediation tasks are included when auto-fixing non-compliant resources is required. Finish by monitoring compliance. Check the policy blade, policy insights, and resource graph queries to spot non-compliant resources. If resources exist that violate the policy, create remediation tasks or run the deploy if not exists logic to bring them into compliance. Once done, document the assignment and update change control. If things go wrong, first verify scope and parameter values. Most failures stem from a misscoped assignment or incorrect parameters. Then review activity logs and change the assignment or add exclusions as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.